Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install obs-studio on your Kali Linux 2025. First of all, you have to open this terminal and type sudo apt update, because you have to update your package for every time. And after that we have to type this command sudo apt install obs-studio y, and after that you can see I have already installed obs-studio and I'm recording this tutorial from obs-studio. That's why I don't want to install this again. So just I will paste this comment into the description so you can get the comment from my video. After that you can see my obs-studio got installing, so you can see there are lots of commands they are providing from server. So after that my obs-studio got installed. You can see the obs-studio that I'm ready. I'm already taking records. So if you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.